Center down and think of a time when you feel that you don't have enough time. Feel the tension in your body that comes with that concern. Ask yourself, what standards am I trying to meet? Now suppose none of these standards apply. Suppose you are free to follow the flow of life. How would you feel in your body without these standards? Now imagine some situation in which it were true that these standards would no longer apply. For example, if your leg were broken, probably some of those standards would no longer apply. Feel what would it be like to be free of those standards. Now, can you 100% know that you have to meet all of those standards? 100% certain. Are you 100% certain? Now consider what would be a benefit of not meeting those standards. Just allow yourself to sit with this question. What would be a benefit of not meeting those standards? What would happen in your body? What example or permission might it offer to others? What opportunity might it give for others? As you think about the possible benefits of not meeting those standards, is there any benefit that stands out for you? Now check and see, is there any part of you willing to experiment in not meeting all of those standards? Is there one part that considers that more freedom could be worth it? And now, as you think about this, perhaps there's other parts of you that are very uncomfortable with this idea. Is there something compassionate you can offer the parts of you that are uncomfortable with trying a new experiment? Oftentimes, being uncomfortable is actually a good sign. It means we're stepping out of an old pattern, an old conditioning that has put us into a comfortable box, but which is too small for us now. Can you welcome discomfort? Can you take a step toward freedom? Can you experiment? Regardless of your answers to any of these questions, just relax. Tune into the silence out of which everything arises. Regardless of your answers to any of these questions, relax. Tune into the core of being that is naturally sufficient before any doing, and rest in this full sufficiency.